Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Ruby programming. We'll begin by setting up your development environment, which is a crucial first step. Then, dive into the absolute basics, like understanding variables and different data types. Ruby is known for its elegant syntax, making it quite beginner-friendly. You'll quickly grasp how to write simple programs and see immediate results, building a strong foundation for more complex topics. Next, focus on mastering Ruby's core concepts. This includes understanding control flow, like using if statements and while loops to direct your program's logic. You'll also learn about methods, which are essential for organizing your code into reusable blocks. Practice is key here. Try solving small coding problems daily. This hands-on approach will solidify your understanding and build your problem-solving skills effectively, preparing you for larger projects. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to explore more advanced Ruby features. Delve into concepts like blocks, procs, and lambdas, which offer powerful ways to handle code execution. Discover Ruby Gems, the package manager that provides thousands of libraries to extend your applications. Many developers then explore the Ruby on Rails framework, a robust tool for building web applications quickly and efficiently, opening up many career opportunities. Learning Ruby is an ongoing journey. To truly master it, engage with the vibrant Ruby community. Participate in online forums, attend local meetups, and consider contributing to open-source projects. Building your own personal projects, even small ones, is invaluable for applying what you've learned and discovering new challenges. This continuous practice and interaction will keep your skills sharp and your knowledge expanding, making you a proficient Ruby developer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.